how to fix this phone number is banned from Telegram. To fix this, first of all, open your settings on your device. Once you are on that, hit on the general and then hit on the language and reason and go to the language and see if the reason is correct or not. Once you check that, hit on the software update and check if the system is updated or not. If there are any updates available, then please do update your system. Then check if any VPN is connected or not. If the issue is still there, then hit on the transfer or reset iPhone and then reset all settings. After this, your problem will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.